This is the elevator at the Ramada in Painted Post, New York. Looks like we're going down. Let's go up to 2. Here we are, 2. Ring the bell. Check this out. It's got the old bumper. Let's take a look up the shaft. Over blue, of course. Silent nudging, let's go to 1. Let's get a coffee. Just a basic 80s Dover impulse elevator. 988 compliant phone. 2,000 pound capacity. That are the fixtures. Are you kidding? Door open button apparently does not work. Dover. What about? There it goes. And before I say that's it, let's just take a quick look around this hotel. Got a little convenience store here. Snack shop prices. Got a variety of snacks. There's where the continental breakfast was. And yes, this elevator I dedicate to Felicia because it could have easily been made glass. This front desk. And there's the restaurant, which is not open right now. There's a conference room. And a fitness center, as well as a business center. Wow, they still have Windows XP. Don't they know Windows XP died already? LED exit sign, I really like that. Take a look at that. That is awesome. So, I'm not gonna look at the upstairs meeting rooms just for time constraints, but I will end the tour outside, which is where I'm going anyway. And then let's just get a view of the property. There's the pool again, and then gazebo. And with that being said, that's it.